We'll guide you through how to reduce decimal value in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People searching for this tutorial because many beginners that want to learn basic Excel formulas and formatting but find the software confusing at first. First, open Excel on your desktop and wait for the program to load completely before starting. After that, type a small number in any desired cell of yours. For this example, you will use the number 3 as the smaller number. Then, type a bigger number in the cell next to it, so the two numbers are placed side by side. Next, move to another empty cell and type an equals sign to begin creating a formula. After typing the equals sign, click the first cell that contains the small number so Excel can include it in the formula automatically. Then type a slash symbol, which is used for division in Excel formulas. After typing the slash, click the cell that contains the bigger number. Once both cells are included in the formula, press Enter on your keyboard to calculate the result. Excel will then display a decimal number based on the division you created. After that, block or select the cell containing the decimal number by clicking on it. Once the cell is selected, right-click on it to open more options. From the menu that appears, go to the Format Control or Format Cells option and click on it. A new window will appear with several formatting settings available. Make sure the blocked cell is on the number section so you can adjust the way the decimal value is displayed. From here, you can set the decimal places to 2 by changing the value in the decimal places setting. This will make the number easier to read and more organized. After adjusting the decimal places, press OK to close the window and apply the changes. The decimal number in the selected cell will now display only 2 numbers after the decimal point. This process helps organize calculations neatly and makes spreadsheet results easier to understand. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident when using formulas and formatting tools in Excel for school, work, or personal tasks in the future with better accuracy and improved spreadsheet skills overall.